everyone, in this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to make a T-chart in Canva. Let's get started. Begin by opening Canva, and in the search bar, type T-chart. Find a suitable template from the results. Click to open the template. Then click on Customize this template. Next, customize the template content according to your needs. And there you have it. Your T-chart is now ready in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.